Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix GoogleOne payment failed, right? To fix failed GoogleOne payments, first check and update your payment details like card number, expiry, CVC, billing address in Google Pay and your GoogleOne settings to make sure it matches the bank's records, right? If that doesn't work, I'm talking about the Android users. What you gotta do, you gotta just go back to your screen and then re-add, or just go ahead and check the settings. If you're using Apple, hit your name at the top, okay, and just go ahead to the payment and shipping, okay. Make sure the information in there matches the the address, right? It matches also the bank records, right? So if that still doesn't work, clear your Google One cache. So stay on the main settings, hit general, iPhone storage, try to pin down GoogleOne to offload some data, okay, and that will help us prevent any future hiccups. So I'm gonna hit offload and double click right here to confirm and re-add the payment method if you're using Google Pay, okay. So if that still doesn't work, try a different payment method or contact your bank to lift transaction blocks, as these are common solutions for payment issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.